I love that, and the Children's Bereavement Center truly does special
Great
work
work.
for our community.
They
so,
really do.
so happy to see how that turned out.
Yeah, absolutely. And thanks to Alan for bringing us that story. That's great.
Yes, and Ryan, you have some good news because we do need the rain, and then we have a cold front, so we're looking forward to this forecast.
Yeah, we have lots to talk about. I mean, we have a little bit of everything in the 7-day. We have some warmth, humidity, some cold, and some rain to break down. So let's talk about that. And first and foremost, the total lunar eclipse that'll happen later tomorrow night into early Tuesday. So it's not going to happen overnight tonight. It's going to be more into Monday night and pre-dawn Tuesday. And here's what's going to happen and how it's going to unfold. There will be clouds out there both days, Monday and Tuesday. But for Tuesday morning, you'll be able to peek through the clouds. And as the moon enters the Earth's shadow, or in other words, the Earth's umbra, it'll start to turn into a reddish color. And the maximum eclipse will likely happen when you're asleep early Tuesday morning. But if you're into astronomy and things like this will be happening early Tuesday in the pre-dawn hours around 5 and 6 a.m. across South Texas. So something to keep in mind. 76 out there, mostly cloudy, a little gloomy and gray. Winds are at 10 miles an hour. Now, keep in mind those southeast winds doing their job. It's continuing to pour in a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, which is why we're a lot more mild this time around. We're at 76 at this hour in San Antonio. We're in the 60s in Kerrville, Bernie, and Fredericksburg at 60 degrees. Feels nice in the hill country, but near 80 at George West and Beeville at basically 11 o'clock at night. And look at those southeast winds. They're breezy to windy out near George West and Beeville, up to 25 and 30 miles an hour. So watch this as southerly winds transport more moisture by tomorrow morning. We're pretty muggy, we're very humid, and we're very tropical. And temperatures are only going to bottom out in the 70s by tomorrow morning. What that's going to do is the air temperature and the dew point match, create some fog out there. So if you're heading out early tomorrow morning, be careful, leave a little extra early, because around San Antonio, it'll be patchy, but around Bexar County and maybe up towards the hill country, there will be visibilities down to maybe a half a mile, if not a quarter mile, in some of these low-lying areas in Bandera County and out near Kern Kendall County. So tomorrow's forecast starts out mild in the 70s. There will be patchy fog to scattered light rain around, maybe an isolated storm, but we're not expecting anything severe. And then by the afternoon, high temperatures rebound to about 85 to 86, mostly cloudy at first to a little bit of sunshine to wrap up the first Monday of November. And here's how it plays out hour by hour. By 4 or 5 a.m., here's the light rain around. And then by sunrise, 6:30, 7:30, it's going to be gloomy and gray and overcast. But there will be a couple of these heavy downpours around from Bernie to Seguin to San Antonio up to Fredericksburg. And the best chance of rain tomorrow will be primarily in the morning hours. By the afternoon, the rain coverage really backs off with highs rebounding to, again, 85 to 86. Now, the long-range outlook, the rain and the colder air, it's not going to arrive likely until Friday. And it's because of this right here. A trough swings farther east by Friday and Saturday. What that's going to do is send in a cold front in our direction, probably around Friday morning, Friday afternoon, dropping things down from the 80s on Thursday, very humid on Thursday, to the 70s on Friday and the 60s on Saturday. So some good news is on the way. 7-day forecast, scattered light rain tomorrow for the first day of the work week. 86, very humid and very warm. 83 on Tuesday. Some isolated morning showers for Election Day. Otherwise, rain coverage backs off through Thursday and Friday. And then temperatures rebound and recover to near 74 on Friday and 67 on Saturday and Sunday. Shifting gears to sports with Vinny Vanzetta. How's it going, Vinny?